Hello everyone, this is Amy with Leonard Mountain Homestead coming at you with another video after going 2 days live. We appreciate everyone who is following us, who has shared our content. We appreciate y'all so very much, and I'm sorry if the light is right here on my face. I'm walking through the woods trying to see what I can get myself into today. Big Red is saying good morning to everybody. I've let the piggies out. I drove down the road to show you guys what we deal with on a daily with the county not fixing our roads. I did get another video and then all of a sudden my phone deletes it. So it's not there. But there is a short video that I'm going to show you. And I'm like, who do we talk to? Yeah, Big Red's annoyed with it too. Taking Janko with us today. She walking through the woods. You see her? So I hope y'all, I don't make y'all dizzy on this video. Hope you enjoy. Let's go, people. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Do you see this? Isn't this horrible, y'all? My video cut out. I don't know why. But I gotta keep going. Look at that. We're getting a lake or a pond in our road that they say they maintain. Tell me, who do we call? Who do we get out here? Because we'd like our roads fixed. Even if it's more gravel, you know? It'd be awesome. Now, they don't maintain these roads. These are the ones that they say they can't maintain. But there is a sign right there that says leaving Okmulgee County. So, we're in Okmulgee County, y'all. And they don't maintain these roads right here. Is what they said. I'm gonna get home and let the animals out. Let the puppies run around. Thank you for coming along with my rant today about our roads. Sorry for all the bouncing in this. I tried my best to show y'all what we have to deal with out here. And it's not just us that is out here. There's multiple people that live out here. So, like I said, we do understand that we live on a dirt road. But maintain those dirt roads if they're supposed to be maintained. It'd be awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna head home. So, usually there is a lot of branches and sticks and stuff that I can't walk through here, but Chris has come through here, and of course the weather has knocked some trees down. There's a little creek back here. Should have heard it last night. Ooh, hold up. Y'all see that? Tracks. Last night, should have heard. I mean, it sounded like the coyotes were really, really close. And that kind of scares me. Just because we have the animals out here. And I've been watching a lot of trapping videos, and Chris wants to do some trapping. We'll see. We'll see. But this is behind our house. Janko's like, I can get through here. Isn't it pretty? There's a little stream right there. It goes all the way up there. I step through it. I'm gonna go back here. I know I'm going different directions. It's all in how I can see. The wooded area. And regardless of, you know, what people say, you know, these are our videos on different pages. I know different pages get a lot of grief for trying to protect their animals. But on a homestead, that's what you have to do. Look at this. There's like a little trail through here. We're almost to the little creek. And the water's flowing. I told you I'm going to get myself into something. Trying to dodge all these big old rock pile right there. Listen to that. Janko, what do you think? Janko, what do you think? Our own little waterfall. That's what we have. Our own little waterfall. And goes all the way down there. Every time I try and get her, she goes back. What do you think? What do you think, Janko? Well, it's a little bit of showing y'all what is in our backyard. Let's keep going. What you gonna do, Janko? What you gonna do? Let Mama go this way. Come on. Mama's gonna go back up this way. There's the back of our house over there. You see it? Boop. And the sticks want to grab my tripod. I told y'all on one of my videos I was going to show you me walking through the woods and showing y'all back here. That's a nice little rock here. I say little, but once you dig that sucker up, it's going to be big. But nice little spots for Chris to sit back and hunt. But isn't it pretty back here? It's really pretty back here. Walk between these trees. There's my shadow. There's my shadow. Go this way. Janko's like, where are you going? I'm walking through the woods, Janko. She's like, I can get through here. I can get through here. I just took you out through the limbs. Another trail through here. Hold on. Another trail right through there where animals have been walking. Go this way. Batteries. I have no idea. People lived out here before and I haven't been back here. Oh, look. That looks like a little arrowhead. I say little, but it's not little. Look at that. It's a cool rock. And that's the little thing that Chris is going to redo so that he can hunt right there, because that's, again, it's our house. There's that. Okay, took you on a nature walk with me. It's not like my normal videos where I'm showing the animals and all. Y'all did get to see Janko. Whew, I almost fell. Again, on a video. Don't forget about the reminder that I told about, you know. We have decided that tomorrow on Tuesdays it's just going to be YouTube live is what it's going to be. Tuesdays, 8 o'clock Central Standard Time, YouTube. Hope to see y'all there. And then on Wednesdays, we're going to be live on Facebook for What's Up Wednesdays. 5 o'clock Central Standard Time. And then we'll be live for an hour. Then we're going to go on to 6 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time for 9 Acre Family Farms on Facebook for What's Up Wednesday on their page. We hope you come and have a good time with both our pages, both our channels. If you don't already have us on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. I try and share out a bunch of pages that are just, they're awesome. And I think they need recognition. So, go to my Facebook page. Go find those pages and go find their channels on YouTube. Let's work together. Let's build together. Make it a wonderful community. And it's not with just homesteading pages. I have art pages. I have prepper pages. it's a whole community of awesome people. And we appreciate every single one of y'all. So go hit the like, subscribe, and share. Comment, and let us know what you think. We appreciate you. I will keep saying that. Good things are coming for Leonard Mountain Homestead. And we want you to be here. We want you to be here because, you know, there may be giveaways soon because we did hit 1K on Facebook. Waiting for our numbers to jump a little more on YouTube. We'll do a giveaway. Several. And I want y'all to be there. I want y'all to be there for the giveaways. Stick around. Don't unfollow. Don't unsubscribe. Continue to be here because it's important to us. It's important to us. And like I said, you don't want to miss the giveaways. I'll post about it soon. Love you guys. Bye. Say bye, Jenko.